Today we're going to make a floating space poo while I tell you a disgusting space story. Be sure to follow along at home. You will need paper, a pencil, scissors, colouring pencils and a glue stick. The year is 1969 and Apollo 10 astronauts Tom Stafford, Gene Cernan and John Young are on their way back from a successful mission around the moon. They were completing a dress rehearsal for the first moon landing, travelling around the moon and safely back to Earth. Now, although the mission was going well, some parts of being an astronaut are not at all glamorous. There was no toilet on their rocket, but when you gotta go, you gotta go. So NASA sent the astronauts to space with some special bags that they would hold over their bums for about 45 minutes when they did their business. Well, on day 6 of the mission, someone wasn't as careful with their bag as they should have been, and suddenly there was an escaped poo floating about the cabin. Everyone denied responsibility for this UFO. Fortunately, they were able to catch it with a napkin and throw it away, but not before the whole incident was caught by the rocket's audio recording system and saved to NASA's records for us all to remember forever. Is this the grossest thing to ever happen in space? Now, astronauts have a number of different ways to go to the toilet in space, and they're not all as disgusting as on Apollo 10. For example, the International Space Station actually has a toilet, which takes the astronauts' poo and ejects it into space, where it falls towards Earth and burns up in the atmosphere. This burning up can make the poo shine really bright, looking to us on Earth like a shooting star. Beautiful! Now let's add our poo to our spacecraft. I've made a floating poo, but you can make anything you want to float in space. How about floating space food? Or even a floating astronaut? Be sure to share your creations with us. We can't wait to see what you make.